In a world full of societal expectations, some women lead with purpose, rise through challenges, and define success on their own terms. Women of Worth, a mentorship series by Forbes India and L'Oréal Paris, where celebrated women pass on their knowledge, shaping the future of their industry. From pioneers to rising star, this is more than advice. It's transformation. When women empower women, we all rise. Every voice echoes strength, and every choice shapes one's self-worth.
So Nitanshi, the couple of questions in one question.
Okay.
One is, what excites you the most in being within the industry during this whole era of the OTT space that we are in now?
Firstly, ma'am, it's an honor to be speaking with you here.
How
I
sweet.
admire you a lot. And secondly, I think it's very exciting because the stories have become much more personal, much more humanly. There's so much space for every kind of character to shine out there. No matter if the character is leading or supporting, when the audience relates with the character, they immediately get so much love. And so many soft, vulnerable characters, different kinds of characters are celebrated because of OTT. And secondly, being so young, and see, because I've started young in the industry, I get so much time to learn a lot, because through this journey I'm getting to learn from you, so many actors that I get to work with, and everyone teaches me a lot. So I feel I have the time to learn, grow, and somewhere surprise myself on the way.
I think very well answered. You young kids come all absolutely prepared, and I think you'll have such a mature approach. When we started young, we were actually very naive. But I think nowadays you kids are so aware of what's happening in the world. Maybe it's because of social media and the kind of, different channels that you have in life to learn and log in and everything. We didn't have that. We were straight from school into films.
I have never come from a theatre school or somewhere where you learn acting or anything. I was on set and I was like, okay, this is how things happen here, and this is how I get to do my dreams and get to do what I love. So that's how I learned. Okay, Raveena ma'am, I have this question for you. How did you learn about the harsh truths about the industry, like in the hard way possible, and like how did you overcome it?
Well, I wouldn't particularly term harsh truths of the industry to be a title as such. I would probably say the harsh truths of life, because every profession and everyday life offers you a new challenge, and how you overcome it also depends on what stability you have within yourself as a person. So it's not only in the industry. There is competition everywhere. There's rivalry everywhere. There is a struggle to reach the top everywhere. Whether it's offices, there's a struggle for a promotion. If it is a film, if it's the film industry or it's the shows, it is trying to get the best role, and whether you suit it or not, and working hard towards it. So I think what I would tell all you young ones, that life is a challenge, and every day you learn a new lesson. But there is a very basic thing that my father taught me when I was very young, and he used to say that, बेटा जब एक बच्चा चलना सीखता है ना, तो बहुत बार गिरता है, लेकिन वहाँ पसर के बैठ नहीं जाता, फिर उठता है और चलता है जब तक वो ठीक ठाक चलना नहीं सीखे. So that is something that you have to learn with it. How much ever you break or whenever you break, you have to learn to pick the pieces up and never quit and start all over again. Because you never know when your hard work pays off. It's very, very important to keep working hard and being focused on your goal. Because that goal is your ultimate where you have to reach. The rest, everything is distractions. So yes, there are times where I have been signed for a movie and evening is the Muhurat shot, and by a couple of hours later I suddenly come to know I'm not in the film only anymore. They've gone ahead and got someone else, and someone else is going for the Muhurat. So there have been things which completely throw you off. So it's not that you don't go through challenges. There are times where I had me and a certain hero were a very big hit pair, but his girlfriend was another actress. So the rivalry was that she did not want me to get more successful films with him. So she gave him an ultimatum that I will break off with you until and unless you don't, do these films with me, and you dump the heroine. So that's happened so many times to everybody. So these are challenges in life that you go through, but you have to recognize the potential of your own within. So when you know you're focused and you know your potential, believe me, nobody or no one can take away this from you.
Wow.
What is written here.
Has there ever been this situation where you have to let go of some big project because it didn't align with your values?
Yes, definitely. There are these sacrifices that one makes, but then this is a very individual choice. So I had a lot of rules and regulations for myself कि ये मेरी लक्ष्मण रेखा है और इससे पार मैं नहीं करूँगी. So I have definitely दिल पे पत्थर रख के said okay, maybe something better will happen, but I have let go of films like that. You as an individual person is something that I want to ask, that what pushes you beyond your boundaries and to challenge yourself as a performer?
मैम एज अ पर्सन आई एम अ वेरी क्यूरियस पर्सन. मतलब मेरे अंदर की दिल की आवाज़ मुझसे पूछती रहती है कि इससे आगे what else can you discover, what more can you do, and plus it's the curiosity, and it has been from the beginning. जब मैं फिल्में भी देखती थी, मैं कोई भी फिल्म देखूँ, चाहे वो पीरियड ड्रामा हो, चाहे वो रोम कॉम हो, चाहे वो एक एक्शन फिल्म हो, इट ऑलवेज यूज टू पुश मी दैट आई वॉन्ट टू सी माई सेल्फ हियर. एंड व्हेन द ड्रीम कम्स, फिर उसके साथ साथ उसकी मेहनत भी साइड बाय साइड आती है कि अच्छा हाँ, अगर आपको म्यूजिकल फिल्म करनी है, सो देन यू स्टार्ट लर्न हाउ टू डांस एंड हाउ टू सिंग. सो मुझे उसमें इंटरेस्ट भी बहुत था.
स्वीट वॉइस, यू मस्ट लर्न हाउ टू सिंग. यू सच अ स्वीट वॉइस.
थैंक यू मैम.
मिठास है आपकी आवाज़ में.
थैंक यू मैम. तो मैं बिल्कुल चाहती थी कि मुझे गाने गाने का भी शौक है, मुझे डांस करने का भी बहुत शौक है, तो क्यों ना मैं अपनी मेहनत ऐसी करूं कि जिस दिन मेरे पास अपॉर्चुनिटी आए कि देयर दिस म्यूजिकल फिल्म, आई एम ऑल सेट टू बी देयर. सो फॉर मी दैट क्यूरियोसिटी कीप्स टेलिंग मी दैट येस आई हैव टू पुश माय बाउंड्रीज, एंड जितने भी सपने देखे हैं सारे पूरे करने हैं, क्योंकि मेहनत से सब पूरे हो जाते हैं. आई लव वॉचिंग इंटरव्यूज़ ऑफ ऑल ऑफ द एक्ट्रेसेस फ्रॉम योर जनरेशन ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम, बिकॉज आप सब में वो ना पर्सनैलिटी, सबकी अपनी अपनी पर्सनैलिटीज़ है, सबकी एक क्वेश्चन को आंसर करने का तरीका इतना अलग और इतना खास होता है. I was recently actually watching one of your interviews from the past, and I was like, oh my god, the kind of confidence and everything is there कि straight on you will answer whatever comes into your heart. लेकिन today sometimes शायद से इंसान उतना honesty से आंसर ना करे because they like कि ये चीज़ कैसे ली जाएगी या क्या होगा.
I have been like that, honestly, and I have learned the hard way sometimes to be very careful of what I say. I have never been rude as a person. Because see, there's a very thin line. Some people think being very blunt and on the face and brutally honest is how we are. I mean, we are very honest, but that's not the thing. There's a thin line that you draw, that you have to have manners and probably be polite when you are talking to people. I mean, there are people who meet me now 30 years later, 35 years later and say, Rafs, my God, you're the same. You've been the only one who's been completely consistent. Because what I was saying then in the 90s, if you'll pick up my interviews now, I'll probably be repeating the same sentences. So something about the genuinity of what you are as a human being, hold on to that. Because that is very rare to find in today's world.
Thank you.
So what is there in your heart? Yes, of course.
Very polite. That is very true, because ma'am, when I meet people, of course, when someone is kind to me, it does make my day and it does teach me that this is how I have to be as a person. In fact, even when, like for example, you or many senior actors, when they interact with me so kindly, I'm like, this is how I have to be as a person, no matter what situation comes in, to everybody out there. अगर मैं ऐसे सच्ची हूँ, तो मैं ऐसे ही आगे जाके ऐसे रहूँ और वो चीज़ बदलती ना रहे.
Absolutely. So, be kind, be compassionate. Yes, be genuine, be yourself and be real always, because that ultimately pays off. Trust me.
Thank you, ma'am.
Lovely talking to you, Nitanshi.
Lovely speaking
all
to
the
you,
best.
Ma'am. Thank you so much.
As their stories unfold, with every challenge faced and every milestone reached, they chose purpose, passion and people. Forbes India W Power, L'Oréal Paris, Women of Worth, a tribute to women who redefine strength on their own terms.